Are you trying to find a way to boost your metabolism and lose a few more pounds? In this video, I'm gonna share with you the best green smoothie to help you lose weight. So check it out. Hey rock stars, it's Jen from Simple Green Smoothies, and today we are gonna make the best green smoothie for weight loss. So I am using plant-based ingredients that all have a purpose to help you shed a few pounds, boost your metabolism, and burn fat, because I don't know if you're anything like me, but I've had 2 kids and there's a little extra fat that I wish wasn't there. I'm going to be making this recipe with you today, and I hope you enjoy. So the first thing we are going to do is add in 1 cup of spinach. 1 cup of spinach is pretty much a handful. I'm not very specific on my measurements, but a good handful is about a cup. And then we are going to do 1 grapefruit. So if you have a large grapefruit, use half of it. If you have a smaller one like I do, then just use the whole thing. And when I cut the grapefruit, I do leave as much of the pith on it as I can, because there's more vitamin C in it, and vitamin C helps us not get sick, and I don't have time to get sick, so give me all the vitamin C I can. If you are not a fan of grapefruit, it's okay. I had a friend who just made this recipe and she was like, Jen, the grapefruit is not my thing. What you can do is you can swap it for an orange. It's not gonna be as great at the fat burning side, but it's still gonna give you the boost, and these other ingredients are gonna help you with that anyway. So if you do not like grapefruit, do not worry, swap it for an orange. All right, and then I'm gonna cut it into quarters just to help the blender a little bit. Okay, one of the magic ingredients, can you guess what it is? And no, it's not pea. It is green tea. So I've brewed some green tea, put it in the fridge to chill it down, and we're gonna add that to this smoothie. Green tea has 2 great things in it. One, it's high in antioxidants, which is really good to help your body replenish, rejuvenate. And the other ingredient is caffeine. And caffeine is a way for your body to get more energy. And so if you are trying to burn fat, you're gonna have to get moving. And so drinking green tea is gonna give you the energy after you drink this to go for a walk, to do some jump squats, do some push-ups, whatever it is, we are gonna work on it together, and it's gonna start with the green tea in our smoothie. Okay, the next thing we're gonna add is 1 stalk of celery. Celery is all the rage right now, and celery juice is going crazy. For me, I like to keep the whole thing. I don't juice anything, I blend it because I want all the fiber I can get. And one of the great things about celery is it's actually negative caloric food. So that means just by eating this, it's very low in calories already, but there's so much fiber and it takes so much for your body to break it down that you're actually burning more calories than you just ate. So that is how you lose some weight. We're gonna add in some mint. This is fresh mint. And mint is great at detoxifying your body. So what it does is, as you consume it, it's gonna bind to the heavy metals that get stuck in our body just from our environment, the foods we eat, and it's gonna help push them out so that our system is gonna be able to be optimized. And that is gonna help us just perform better, have more energy, and get that body that we want. So I love to add in some mint. Then we're gonna do, I think it's 1 cup of pineapple here. It's frozen. And it's delicious. The pineapple is a way to naturally sweeten it, which I love. So we're not using any artificial sweeteners. We're not adding any sugars. We are just using fruit as our sweetener. And this is a great way to do it. And then we're gonna add in some avocado. Why I do avocado is because it's really delicious. It also makes your smoothie creamy, and it helps keep you full. So fat actually keeps your body full longer. So if you're drinking smoothies and it's just running through you and you're literally like starving 30 minutes later, try adding some healthy fats like avocado to your smoothie. Okay, that's it. I gotta wash my hands real quick. I'll be right back. Okay, we've got everything in here. Now let's blend it up. All right, and that's how we can get our workout in. We can work out as we're blending. I'm out of breath. Okay, here we have it. Our fat burning green green smoothie. It's very refreshing. If you want, secret ingredient is cayenne pepper. You can put a dash of this on top. And cayenne pepper also helps curb your appetite, and it boosts your metabolism too. So that's a great secret ingredient in this recipe. And the last thing I want to share with you is after you drink it, what I like to do about 30 minutes later is I'll eat a handful of almonds. Raw almonds, this is a way to add in some protein, but without it altering the taste of your smoothie. Because I don't like a lot of protein powders out there, so I like to make my smoothie just as it is, and then I'll have a side of nuts later. I hope you found this video helpful and that you make it, most importantly. And if you really want to go further on your wellness journey by eating more plants, feeling naturally energized, and also getting the body that you want, I would love for you to check out my 7-day reset. This is a 7-day meal planning system where we have our daily green smoothies, plant-based snacks and meals, and I'll give you a shopping list meal plan and all the recipes you need to really get the body you want. All right, check it out. Thanks, bye.